Hello students, today you will learn lesson 18 price rise and consumer awareness. We were on page number 152 rights of consumer. Okay, fifth right. Right to seek redressal. Redressal means when we complain and complaint is solved, it is called redressal. This right gives right to the consumer to make complaint against dishonest commercial practices. Consumer can make complaint or loss due to negligence और ethical exploitation. उसको loss होता है या तो ethical exploitation. He has to suffer mental harassment. It also gives right to the consumer to be prevented from loss by asking for the compensation. He can ask compensation if he has occurred loss. Okay, उसको उसका वरतर मिलना चाहिए. In this, consumer may ask for one or more than one relief like exchange of goods. उसको रिलीफ मिलता है, या तो he can exchange his thing, goods, return of goods वापिस कर सकता है, can take back money, return of money, रिपेयर करवा सकता है, without asking for charge, etc. Repair without charge. Consumer may ask for the incentive or not, but is entitled to get intensive. उसको उसका मुआवजा तो मिलना ही चाहिए. Next page. 6.1 Right to consumer education. This right ensures that a consumer gets complete information and develop patience and skill. The consumer must get complete information and should develop patience and skill, dheeraj and skill. Factors responsible for exploitation of consumers at the village level are ignorance. एक तो कंज्यूमर विलेज लेवल पे उसको क्या फेस करते हैं कंज्यूमर, एक तो इग्नोरेंस, दे डोंट हैव नॉलेज, लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस एमंग कंज्यूमर्स आर नॉट अवेयर इन विलेजेस. By including it in the school curriculum, okay, so that these chapters are included in school syllabus, efforts should be made to train consumers and improve their skill through meeting of different institutions. They can meet in different institutions of consumers. Consumer education related discussion session, discussion रखा जाता है, exhibition, discourse के उसको सिखाया जाता है, वर्क कैंपस etc. so that they may play the role of an alert consumer in the market, so they can become alert. Consumer education is helpful in this. Now, duties of consumers. We studied rights of consumer के हक. अब उसकी ड्यूटी. Consumer should do his duty properly. He should check thing properly. Okay, label, manufacturing date, weight, okay, price, expiry date, everything, manufacturing date, सब उसको चेक करना चाहिए. तो consumers have duty also. As the consumer are cautious about their rights, cautious, alert है. In the same way, they should show reflexes towards their responsibilities. Okay, उसकी भी responsibility है कि अलर्ट होके पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन लेके चेक करके चीज खरीदे. और ड्यूटीज ऑल्सो, एंड ही मस्ट आस्क फॉर द बिल ऑफ फॉर पेमेंट. बिल तो उसको लेना ही चाहिए, वारंटी कार्ड, गारंटी कार्ड उसको लेना चाहिए. नाउ फर्स्ट वन, while purchasing a commodity or service, consumer should make the correct choice. He should get information about different things and should make correct choice. At the time of purchasing a product, consumer should purchase the product having good quality, reasonable price, guarantee or warranty, after sale services. Okay, ये सब चीजें वाली प्रोडक्ट उसको लेनी चाहिए. He should purchase goods having standard signs like BIS, ISI और EG mark. Okay, ISI सेफ्टी के लिए है. While purchasing electrical or electronic gadgets, priority should be given to purchase of standard or branded items only. Okay? जो अच्छी कंपनी है उसी की चीज़ें लेनी चाहिए. Second one, at the time of purchasing a product from many products, when we are to choose a product from many products, choice has to be made. While choosing a product, they should have all information. We should get information about different things. They should check the label and information given in the advertisement. लेबल पे देखना चाहिए, चेक करना चाहिए और एडवर्टाइजमेंट में क्या बोलते हैं वो चेक करना चाहिए. एंड एंश्योर themselves like a discreet and aware consumer. Okay, we should be decided or aware consumer. As a consumer, his decision and behavior should be wise, intelligent, calculative, सब कुछ आगे पीछे का गिन के और bearing common sense, wise, so that he may be protected against exploitation and cheating. Third one, it is the duty of the consumer that his conduct or behavior towards seller or producer should be gentle and bona fide. His behavior should be gentle. Okay, towards producer or shopkeeper. Fourth one, consumer should insist on having original bill or original receipt of items or services purchased by him. उसको bill और receipt लेना ही है. He should also insist on getting warranty card filled. Signature of seller should be there along with stamp. वारंटी गारंटी मिलती है प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर तो वो भी शॉपकीपर की साइन और स्टैम्प के साथ डेट के साथ लेना है. फिफ्थ वन, कंज्यूमर शुड कम टुगेदर एंड फॉर्म वॉल्यूंटरी कंज्यूमर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वो कंज्यूमर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बना सकते हैं और एसोसिएशंस एट नॉन पॉलिटिकल एंड नॉन कमर्शियल लेवल. And with the help of these organizations, they should be ready to give legal fight for solutions, and they can fight unitedly, okay, for solution of problems related to consumers' complaint. They should ask for representation in different government committees. Okay, they should get representation. Uska representative should be in government committees related to consumer. So it is also duty of consumer that he should fight against exploitation. तो उसको खुद को भी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन के सामने माल प्रैक्टिस के सामने लड़ना है. 6.1 कंज्यूमर शुड मेक वर्बल और रिटन कंप्लेंट टू द ऑफिसर ऑफ द रिलेटेड डिपार्टमेंट विदाउट फेल. इफ ही सफर लॉस और एनी चीटिंग ही मस्ट कंप्लेंट in verbal or oral before officer, government officer. They should also take cooperation of consumer organizations and different non-profitable institutions in order to prevent or eliminate complaints related to wide interests of the consumer. Consumers should get help from these organizations and institutions. 7th one, while purchasing product, consumer should not make any compromise with quality. कुछ compromise नहीं करना है with quality of product or its safety. He should always insist on purchasing a product after checking packing. Packing check करना है, packing, rate, date of manufacturing, batch number of production, weight, expiry date, name of producer, address, etc. Consumer must check this all. 8.1 while purchasing a product, if the consumer finds that the product is adulterated, mix किया हुआ है, घी, milk इस तरह और duplicated और fake और finds decrease in weight कम है, less weight, he should immediately bring to the notice of trader. ट्रेडर को बताना है. एंड इफ द ट्रेडर डिलेज इन ब्रिंगिंग सॉल्यूशन, इफ ट्रेडर डजंट गिव प्रॉपर आंसर, इज नॉट रेडी टू रिप्लेस और फॉर द सॉल्यूशन, देन ही शुड गिव एन एप्लीकेशन टू अथॉरिटीज of consumer court asking for redressal. Then he can complain. in the court. Thus, consumer should perform his duty as a responsible citizen. Ninth one, consumer should purchase product in sufficient quantity or number only. He should not buy excess things which he don't want. He should save himself from purchasing unwanted and unnecessary products. Okay, consumer should not buy unwanted and unnecessary products by getting attracted from the advertisement. Okay, advertisement देख के हम चीज़ें खरीद ले that are not useful to us. By seeing others or from sale लगा है, okay, 10%, 20%, so we should not buy things in this way. He should not waste money. Tenth one, while purchasing weighing scale, implements of measurement, electronic instrument must be checked. या तो जब weighing scale खरीदते हैं, measurement के instrument खरीदते हैं, electronic instrument, तो we must check them whether they are correct or not. A consumer should make sure whether the tools of measurement have been tested and verified by an investigation officer or not. Tools, measurement के tools है, ओके, वेट है या तो लिक्विड के लिए जो 1 लीटर 2 लीटर का है, ओके, तो इट मस्ट बी टेस्टेड एंड वेरीफाइड बाय इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर और नॉट. गवर्नमेंट के इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर से वेरीफाइड किए होने चाहिए, पेट्रोल पंप पे या दूसरी जगह पे. If tools have not been certified every year, the consumer should bring it to the notice of weight and measurement officer. Every shopkeeper, उसके पास जो weighing का scale है, okay, weight करने का, every year it is checked by the government officer and verified. If it is not done, we should complain. Director of Legal Metrology and Consumer Affairs at the local level, and if required he should complain. This is the duty of vigilant and responsible consumer. Vigilant means jagruk. Vigilant and responsible consumer. 11. The seal of gas cylinder should always be checked. Okay, वो बराबर tight close है, whether it is intact or not. Intact means safe. Taxi or rickshaw should be boarded only after checking the zero reading in the meter. We should pay as per rate on the meter. Okay, rate जो as per law है per kilometer, okay, उतना ही देना है. Petrol, diesel or CNG should be filled after checking the indicator at zero. पेट्रोल पंप पे जीरो चेक करके ही पेट्रोल भरवाना है. While purchasing kerosene, one should insist on purchasing only after the foam in the measuring can has settled down. केरोसिन खरीदते हैं तो उसके ऊपर जो फोम स्पीड में जब वो when they open the tap, नॉर खोलते हैं तो पानी और केरोसिन जल्दी से आता है तो उसके ऊपर फोम, ओके, बनते हैं. तो if immediately he pour in it our vessel, okay, then we get less quantity. फोम जब बैठ जाए तो वो थोड़ा बाकी रहता है. फोम मतलब वो फीण, ओके. Weighing should be done on the scale only which is hung on its stand. ओके, वो हाथ से वजन करते हैं, ओके, बैलेंस से. तो हाथ वो टेढ़ा करेंगे तो हमको वो चीटिंग कर सकता है. When scale is held in hand, there are chances of cheating. 12th point, consumer should either himself go to consumer forum or should complain through consumer society against the negligence in the improvement of railway, bank, insurance, telephone or hospital services, or for compensation for physical, mental and economical harm due to lack of service. तो इतनी जगह पे रेलवे, बैंक, इंश्योरेंस, टेलीफोन और हॉस्पिटल सर्विस उसके सामने कंप्लेन करने के लिए वो कंज्यूमर सोसाइटी में जा सकता है, ओके, आइदर इन कोर्ट फॉर फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड इकोनॉमिकल हार्म, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सर्विसेज. Consumer should give details of news of judgment and compensation received on local TV channel and get it published in the newspaper. कंज्यूमर को कोई भी कंज्यूमर के फेवर में कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दिया है तो उसका टीवी पे, न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश करना है, टेलीकास्ट करना है, सो दैट अदर कंज्यूमर मे नो अबाउट इनजस्टिस डन टू हिम. या तो इनजस्टिस कोई हुआ है तो उसको भी, सपोज किसी वन पर्सन बिकेम द विक्टिम ऑफ माल प्रैक्टिस और चीटिंग, ओके, वो भोग बना चीटिंग का, तो ही शुड गिव इट इन लोकल न्यूज़पेपर एंड टीवी. By informing about the judgment, they may be prevented from being victimized. तो दूसरे लोग उसका भोग ना बने. Other people don't become victimized. Thus, it is also his responsibility to bring consumer awareness and work for consumer education participation. 13th one, a consumer should participate enthusiastically in different consumer awareness program. Consumers should participate in different consumer awareness programs, movement arranged by consumer society, discussion और seminars. उसमें उसको participate करना चाहिए. Thus, try to give a thrust to the movement of consumer protection in the society. Try to give a thrust मतलब push करना है consumer movement को. Okay, children, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.